you are saying that BC, देखो मैं I am asking you a very simple thing. See, DE is a chord. I have written that any two means any line which is joining 2 points on circle. Okay, so I'll just take this thing also. It is points. I'll just crop it and write here. It is any 2 points. See, if we are talking about this chord, see BC is also a chord. BC जो है ना, हम उसको chord भी बोल सकते हैं. It is diameter because we know it is passing through center. It is diameter. It is correct. But we can also name it as chord. हम उसको chord भी बोल सकते हैं. Okay. किसको? BC को. We can also name it as chord. तो हम उसको भी कोड बोल सकते हैं. ऐसा कोई कंपलसरी नहीं है कि BC जो है वो हमारे पास क्या है, एक okay. See, DE, BC. BC is also a chord, and BC, you know what? It is the longest chord. BC is what? The longest chord of a circle. If someone asks you what is the longest, which one is the longest? So diameter is the longest chord. Now we will learn some more things. अब थोड़ा सा और पढ़ते हैं. देखो. Now, if I am taking any small part, okay, अगर मैं कोई छोटा सा part लेता हूं from circle, if I am taking any small part from circle, see, suppose I am taking this part only from this P, I am taking from this point P to this point Q. What this part is known as? I am taking from this P to this Q. See, only this part. अगर मैं I'll just change the color of this part. See, I am talking about this yellow one. What name I can give to this one? This PQ. No, this is known as arc. What it is known as? Arc. Okay. So you will be able to see this PQ. This PQ is known as what? Arc. Okay. So an arc is what? An arc is any part of a circle's boundary. Okay, arc is what? Part of the boundary of a circle. Part of the boundary of a circle. Okay, एक सर्कल का जो बाउंड्री में से जो हम पार्ट लेते हैं ना, that is known as what? An arc. You can see this one is arc. So how to represent? See, अगर हमें कोई arc represent करना है ना, how do we represent? See, PQ is a arc ना, so we represent it like this. हम इस तरह से PQ के ऊपर क्या करते हैं, एक arc draw करते हैं. So this will represent that PQ is an arc. Okay. Now the next thing, एक और चीज देखो अब. If I am talking about a particular area, if I am talking about a particular area, suppose like I am talking about this one. ये देख रहे हो जो मैंने अलग कलर में शेड किया है, I have shaded. Are you able to see this one? है ना? See, this one I am talking about. If we are having this particular area, the particular area I am saying this one that I have shaded as the gray one. See, this one is known as sector. What this one is known as? Sector. So what definition I will write for a sector? Sector के लिए मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ? What I can write? See, if we are having sector, I'll write for a sector. Sector is what? Area enclosed by radius. See, why I am putting radii? क्योंकि हम दो रेडियस यूज कर रहे हैं. One is OA and one is OC and an arc. See, if any area is enclosed by what? Radii and arc. That is known as what? That is known as That is known as, anyone?